Assalamu alaikum viewer, welcome back to the channel all about ideas. In today's videos we have provided you the beautiful stone craft. These stone craft are beautifully printed by beautiful colors and beautiful colorful design are about the quotations. The beautiful quotes are simply written on simple stones, and these beautiful quotation give you inspiration, and this beautiful inspiration quote make you more and more attraction and more interest in these craft videos. We will bring you that type of craft in such other videos also, and this type of craft will more attract and gain your interest in our channel brings that type of beautiful stones crafts videos. In today's videos are about totally on stone craft, and yesterday's videos we have bring the beautiful quilling paper craft, but today we have decided to tell you and to show you some different designs about stones craft. And these craft videos are our viewers demands on very much, and this type of beautiful stones craft also looks very beautiful and attractive in your home and also in your garden. These type of craft are not that much difficult. These craft are easier in only these type of crafts. You need only small simple rocks which are on lying on your environment simply, and you have to pick up these stones, wash it very clearly, and wash with the clear water and wash with the pure water, and then paint with your colors. This type of color looks very beautiful, and these quotation are very beautiful and inspiring. These beautiful quotation are simply you can pick up from net and also from the books. These beautiful quotation will more inspire you, and inshallah we will bring this type of beautiful stone craft in our future videos, and also we will bring this type of craft in our future videos. You have to share our channel and support our channel, and all about ideas channel will bring you the beautiful craft videos and also some other type of beautiful videos that you will enjoy, and beautiful crafts and other videos we will provide you the beautiful videos. Inshallah in our future videos you will enjoy more, and you have to click the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Thanks to come in our videos today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.